Concern this morning. Maybe that's what we should focus on, at least in the short term, Brittany, because the storm's still a couple of days away. It's only 10 degrees out right now.
Yeah, it's plenty cold out there, but at least we have clear skies going on across our area. We don't need any extra precip on the way before we deal with this system that's moving in for this weekend. So yeah, it's plenty cold out there. Freezing, definitely a concern. I know any puddles or anything that melted the other day that didn't really get washed away or evaporate has been freezing across our area. Here's that look out towards Newport. You can see pretty good visibility. The bridge beautifully lit up. If we check out that threat tracker rest of today and tonight, we're in the green, but as we look forward to Friday night into Saturday, that's when things start to go a little haywire, and we're tracking that winter storm on the way. High pressure sticking around for today. Lots of sunshine on the way. Beautiful clear skies across our area. A couple of clouds, a little bit of some fog just off the coast, but really not too bad out there. It's the temperature that we're talking about for this morning, and as we look forward to the rest of the day today, the temperature is going to be our main feature that we're looking at. Down into the single digits for most of the area. A couple of spots warm enough. Providence, Newport looking up to be 2 digits right now. As we look forward to later on this afternoon, we are going to see a bit of a breeze start to kick up across the area. I know yesterday was a little on the windy side that knocked those wind chills significantly lower than those actual air temperatures. Not as much of a factor for this afternoon, but you will be seeing some cooler conditions later on after about 2 o'clock through to around 6 o'clock. But overall for your Thursday, not too bad out there. Lots of sunshine on the way. We're going to stay dry for the rest of today and even into your Friday, staying dry out there. Temperatures topping out in the upper 20s and low 30s, so it's staying cold and sunny out there. And again, that breeze kicking up a little bit in the afternoon with those gusts upwards of about 20 miles per hour. So what we're keeping a close eye on is, again, that chance for a winter storm later this weekend. Here's a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. As of this morning, there's a cold front sitting further out to the west and some pretty unorganized showers down off of the Florida coast. Later this afternoon, those showers are going to get a little bit more organized, form into a low pressure system, and then looking forward to tomorrow afternoon, that low pressure is going to lift up from the south, run into that cold front. That's where we're going to see those showers really start to develop and move into our area. By Saturday morning, we're already starting to see the chance for some heavy snow, a lot of rain off the coast, strong wind gusts as the system kind of moves right past the coast and then dumps a lot of snow on our area. Weather alert, we already have a winter storm watch for all of our area, southeastern Mass, and now that's been extended through Connecticut. This goes all the way through till 4 p.m. Saturday, could be extended later on into later in the day Saturday. Where we're looking at is this area of uncertainty. It's all dependent on where the center of that storm tracks. Again, if it moves a little bit closer to the coast, you're going to see this purple line. That's where it's a little bit better of a chance for a wintry mix. That's looking less and less likely. Middle track would lead to, again, that bullseye, that benchmark store where we see a lot of those higher snow totals. And then again, if we look further off to the east on that yellow track, that'll keep it a little bit further away from the coast, and we'll see some of those lower snow totals. Most of the models are hinting at the middle, if not a little bit further to the east for those 3 tracks. So anywhere from about a foot of snow, could be a little bit higher, localized in a couple of other spots. Here's another model run. Again, this is the U.S. model showing it a little bit further off the coast. This would still lead to some pretty strong wind gusts and still a chance for some coastal flooding, but it will kind of lower some of those snow amounts. So overall, what we're expecting, still some pretty high impacts as far as the snow totals and difficult travel for throughout the day Saturday, maybe even into early Sunday morning. Power outages do also remain a concern, not only because of the snow itself, but because of those stronger wind gusts and, again, coastal flooding. If we take a look at those 7-day forecast, you can see that today, quiet weather, sunshine out there, staying cold though, a cold start to the day. If you haven't been out the door just yet, make sure you're bundling up. Friday stays cloudy but quiet for the bulk of the day, and then as we look forward to the overnight hours into Saturday morning, that's when we start to see the impacts of this coastal system. You can head over to WPRI.com. We've got that full 7-day forecast. You can also download the WPRI weather app. Great resource to have, as we'll keep you guys up to date as this storm moves a little bit closer. Now we have Melissa with us taking a look at those roads. They're good for now, but that could be changing this weekend, I assume.
Yeah, the next couple of days, Brittany, you know, great to get some stuff done if you have errands to run. It's at the grocery store yesterday, and that storm excitement, of course, already building. But this morning, very quiet conditions out there for those